guys doing? I thought I'll do a little vlog because it's been a hot minute since I've done one, and I'm gonna be doing a couple of things today. So one of them is going to get some plants for the apartment because I need to show you this. We're gonna need a new plant because this one over here is completely dead. My friend's over there. Jero, do you want to say hi?
Alright.
I trouble this man way too much. And then I'm gonna go grocery shopping as well because we're due, and I'm just gonna take you along with me. Right now I'm trying to find motivation to edit and it's not going too well, so going back to the drawing board. And I wanted to show you guys this. I'll probably at some point have a dedicated video where I talk about how I plan my videos and film and all that. I'm just gonna take this off because it's hot. So this is the app that I use. It's called Trello, to kind of have an idea of what videos I want to have next. You know, kind of get an idea of how I'm gonna film my video, what's gonna go in it, and then I go on the iPad. And this is such a totally random vlog, but you know, we're here in the moment. So on the iPad, the app I use to thoroughly plan my videos is GoodNotes. I really like this. We have a couple of notebooks, and this is for Bay. He has his stuff over there, but it's mainly mine. So YouTube video notes, this is where I have all my notes. This is kind of what it looks like. So before I even start you know, planning a video and everything, I'll basically have the title up here. Let me show you a video that I have done. Last week's video, where is it? Glosses, there you go. So what I usually have is, I kind of have an outline so I know what I'm saying, and ever since I've done this, I find that filming is so much easier. So usually I have how long I want my video to be, lenses I want to use, things I want to do. I'm someone who needs that kind of organization, unless I don't get things done efficiently. And here I have to do, take pictures for blog, close up, arm swatches, shots. This TB keywords are two buddy keywords that I need to find, and I usually have them. I'll show you that eventually also. And then I have B-roll application, turn into IG video, and that's what I did. So usually I am a very visual person, right? So I usually have a picture of what it is, and I just write the stuff that I'm gonna be saying. Let's go to another one where it's a little bit more of a look, for example the Natasha Denona one. This is, I kind of have a mood board going to kind of inspire me of what looks I want to do. You know, you always need to take inspiration from somewhere, and here I copy pasted each shadows and everything so I could have the information in regards to the finishes of each colors. And then over here again I have my little to-do, make little stars on Procreate, arm swatches, palette B-roll, short intro, get straight into the first look, and just talking about. So this is usually how I, you know, plan my videos nowadays, and it's really easy. I'm probably gonna go into a really detailed video of that if you want to see how I, you know, plan a video from start to finish, edit, all that. I could even make that into a series if you're interested. Tell me if you are. Tell me in the comments below and I'll do that video for you. So that's a little insight on how things go down. Yeah, I'll be taking you along with me, and I hope you enjoy this vlog. Celle-là, je la trouve trop belle.
Ouais, c'est énorme.
Mais what do you have contre les trucs qui sont énormes? What about that one over there? Is that a fake crown? And I just ordered a hot and sour soup, and I'm with Tevi, my neighbor, who's no more my neighbor but still my neighbor because we're still in the same neighborhood. Yeah, I'll show you guys what I'm having after, but I can't wait to dig into this. This is my first time going to a restaurant, and she's the one who made me do it. Okay, let me read it in English. Soon life will become more interesting.
Oh, because your life is boring.
That I'm getting more PR and I'm advancing in my YouTube career. I'm here for it.
Mine, it's something your friend said is going to make you a lot of money. I don't know what it means, but I hope I'm gonna get rich.
Yes, amen. Right now I'm actually doing my makeup for Instagram. I don't know when this look is gonna be on, but it's a whole vibe, and I am using the Jackie Aina palette because it's a vibe. Also, these lashes, these huge lashes, are from Slay Like Ray Boutique. I have a code, I think it's EROS15. I'll put it in the description box so you can check it out, but definitely get your lashes from Slay Like Ray Boutique. These ones are in the style Fly, if I am not mistaken. And yeah, support a Black entrepreneur, Plush, based in Canada, Toronto. You should totally do that. So getting this look finished, and then I'm going to film the video with Sophia Tim, and it's gonna be really fun. I can't wait for you guys to see this. The link to her video is in the description box. It's the first link you're gonna see. So also these freckles and the sweat. I used the Freck pen. I decided to just cluster it in the center of my face. So yeah. Also, by the way, as I'm doing my makeup, Layla is over there chilling, so cute. This Be Kind, that's from Maison Petite and Bold. I'll link it below if you're interested. But I'm watching Greenleaf, the last season that just dropped. Oh, so good. So good. We're about to film the video. Hey, Sophia.
Can't wait.
Are you...
This is the before.
Look at that, fresh skin. Look at that. Yes.
A little bit oily.
No, it's not oily. It's glass skin, please.
Well,
I'm all set up here, and we're gonna get this show on the road. Do you have all your things?
almost. I'm missing my sponges again. I have to go back.
Okay. So listen, it's been a couple of hours and Sophia is looking like a hot snack. Okay. Scrumptious, as you can see right now. Can we please take a moment and appreciate the beauty that she is? And she followed my instructions really well, if I might say so myself. Her link to this video that we filmed together is going to be the first link in the description bar, so make sure you check out her video, you like her video, and of course you subscribe, because she is a hoot. Okay, if you think I'm fun, she's even more fun than I am. So
yeah, this was so much fun. I feel like the end result is super nice. She was so great at giving me directions. Like, I suck at following directions, and this looks amazing. If I can say so.
Show them the eye a little bit. Close your eye a little. Let's see. Look at that. She just stepped into a different royalty.
I used lashes, which I never do. And I really love this look. And you were right, actually.
once everything is together, right?
It's really cute.
Don't hate the process, man. It's just oof.
And I love the purple and the green. You were so right. It looks so good. So yeah.
I'm so excited about this. I really am.
Me too.
I can't wait for y'all to just watch this because it was fun to
I can't
film.
believe I have to edit all this in like 2 days, but well, it's gonna be
You've got this. I'm sure you got this. Don't worry.
Yeah.
You got this.
Sure.
Says the girl who hasn't posted yet.
Girl.
Share this with you. So I got the Ordinary Squalene Cleanser, and I don't like it very much. It doesn't foam. I feel like it's a kind of cleanser that is best used kind of like as a balm, as a first cleanse. Like, it's really good to do that, but let's say you didn't wear any makeup and you're just using this as your cleanser, not the best. Didn't work for me, The Ordinary. Not really.